In the heart of the Northern Hemisphere, the United Kingdom unfolds as a tapestry of history, culture, and unparalleled natural beauty. A realm where rolling green hills meet dramatic coastlines, and ancient castles stand testament to a rich and vibrant past. Journey with me across the emerald expanses of Scotland, where the air is crisp and the landscapes breathtaking. Mountains rise like ancient sentinels, their peaks dusted with snow. Here, the mystery of Loch Ness unravels, its dark waters whispering tales of mythical creatures. Venture south to the enchanting realms of England. Explore the timeless beauty of the Lake District, where tranquil waters reflect the majesty of the towering fells. Wander through the honey-hued villages of the Cotswolds, a charming snapshot of quintessential English life. Marvel at the grandeur of London, a bustling metropolis that seamlessly blends the old with the new. Across the Irish Sea, Northern Ireland awaits. Traverse the spellbinding Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder sculpted by the hands of ancient volcanic activity. Immerse yourself in the verdant landscapes of County Antrim, where the ruins of medieval castles echo stories of yesteryears. To the west, Wales woos with its rugged coastline and mountainous national parks. Climb the heights of Snowdonia, where the views are nothing short of spectacular. Explore the Pembrokeshire coast, where sea cliffs plunge into azure waters and sandy beaches stretch out invitingly. The United Kingdom is not just a country, it's an experience. A symphony of diverse landscapes, each playing a unique note in the grand orchestra of natural beauty. From the craggy peaks of the Scottish Highlands to the picturesque English countryside, from the awe-inspiring Giant's Causeway to the serene Welsh valleys, every corner of the United Kingdom invites exploration and admiration. In the end, the United Kingdom is more than just its scenic locations. It's about the beauty that lies in its diversity, the harmony in its contrasts. It's a place where history and modernity coexist, where every city, every village, every landscape has a story to tell. A place that, once visited, leaves an indelible mark on the soul, a realm of endless wonder. The United Kingdom truly is a world in itself. As we draw the curtains on our scenic journey through the United Kingdom, we cannot help but marvel at the enchanting tapestry of nature, culture, history, and diversity that we've explored. From the rugged highlands of Scotland to the mystical realms of England, the spellbinding landscapes of Northern Ireland and the raw beauty of Wales, every corner of the UK is a testament to the harmony of contrasts. If this journey has sparked a sense of wonder in you, if it has touched your soul or simply made your day a little brighter, we'd love to hear about it. Please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback fuels our journey and helps us bring more of these amazing landscapes to you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys. Whether it's the serene countryside, bustling cities, or the hidden gems of the world, we've got you covered. So buckle up, because the journey is far from over. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're glad you chose to explore with us, and we can't wait to take you on more adventures. So, until our next journey, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, every journey is a new story. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.